Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we are going to be checking in for the middle of the month for September's Make Along for the year of the Make Alongs 2025. So this month's theme is using our scrap yarns, and I hope you guys have been having as much fun with it as I have. So this video is actually probably going to go up just a little bit late as we are catching up from the kerfuffle of Banner being missing for a week and me having a family funeral to go to. So we're probably running a little bit behind on ourselves here, but I am very excited to share what I've been working on and to share what you guys have been working on as well. So first off, let's do this one first. First off, I did finish the first of the granny squares to donate. So this is 6 squares by 5 squares. I trimmed this or bordered this using Big Twist Value in an off-white color. Which side is the front? Which side is this? Is the front? Okay. So I will, at the end of this, also have a picture of the whole blanket laid out. So this one has all of the ones that contain any of the browns that were in the scrap bin. I am still missing one container of granny squares though. So I have enough to do one more granny square blanket and enough to do 2, maybe 2.5 of the corner to corners, but I am missing a granny square container, which I think has enough to do like another 2 or 3 blankets in it. So on the hunt for that. I'm not sure where I put that away at, but leave it to me to lose an entire, multiple blankets worth of parts. Since I've finished that, my new focus right now as, Project Christmas Blanket is still my main focus for the year right now. Because it started with one, and then next thing you know, I made it a thing, and now it needs to be a thing because I've got so many of them done or at least in progress. But this is also using scraps, and this is also part of Project UFO as well. And this is, I'm calling this my Kaleidoscope Hexie. These are scrap hexagons that I made. I started making these like 6-7 years ago. The last time anyone saw it, it was down here. So I finished one row and now I'm adding on the next. This, hopefully, if I can stay focused on working on this, I can have it done by the end of the month. My original goal was to have it done by September 16th. Obviously, that did not happen. So here we are. Here we are. This is what we're working with. This is how it's going. So we're just going to have to roll with the punches here. But I'm very excited with this blanket. So anyway, that is all that I have to show. Let's check out what you guys have been working on. Okie dokie. So I think you guys are doing a fantastic job. I love, I gave the assignment and you guys are totally whooping me. And y'all have been coming up with so many creative different ways to use your scraps. I am loving these altered t-shirt designs with the crocheted sleeves and stuff. I just saw one where they did like an entire bat wing going down the side of a t-shirt. So much fun. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I love you and I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye.